Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on location history in Google Opinion Rewards. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just open up your browser. It doesn't really matter if you are on iOS or Android. And from here, we have to click on our profile picture and you have to make sure that you are logged into your account. And after that, you have to scroll down and you will see this option here, more settings. So just simply tap on more settings here, then scroll down again and we will click on this Google account settings and it will going to load up a new page like so. And here we are going to tap on this data and privacy, and in data and privacy here we will click on this search bar here and then we will search for location history and just simply tap on this first pop up here, the location history. Tap on it, give it some time to load up, and here it's going to show you timeline. That's what it's called. And what you want to do is just click on this turn on right here if it's turned off, and here also enable these two options underneath it, and that's how you do it. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to turn on location history in Google Opinion Rewards. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.